So choose really, really carefully. I think word of mouth is incredibly important. You know, I spoke to my friend about her experience and that really had a positive effect on me. Go and have a consultation, ask as many questions as you can possibly ask. No question is a silly question for Dr. Rachel. She's very, very happy to talk about anything, allay any fears that you might have. She'll be really, really honest about the procedures. Not everybody's going to be like that. Not everybody's going to have the wealth of knowledge and the medical knowledge that she has. And I think this is your face potentially that you are talking about. And you need to be really, really careful in who you choose. So for me, Dr. Rachel would be top of my list any day.
Firstly, do your research, thoroughly research everything you want to do. And then the research, obviously, I did, knowing that Dr. Rachel is a bona fide doctor GP. She's been doing her doctoring for many years now, which also promotes the confidence that you need, I think, when you're letting somebody stick needles in your face, for example.
My advice is to do the homework. Definitely do all your research. If you've got an open mind on what type of treatments you want, then certainly I'd contact Dr. Rachel. If you know specifically what you want, again, Dr. Rachel, because she will go through what levels you might need, like with me with microneedling.
It's really important to me, and it should be to everyone else as well, to make sure that the person that you trust to give you these treatments is actually really qualified and knows what they're doing.
Don't get sucked into going to somebody who's really cheap, because quite often that's not going to be the best person and you'll end up spending more money in the long run trying to sort out problems. Look at reviews and book in for a consultation with them, and you'll know when you go for a consultation whether they're going to be somebody that you're comfortable with.
I would always say do your research. Recommendations great, but do your own research. Look at what their experience is. Go with someone that's got a medical background, and then always ask for a consultation. If your therapist or your practitioner isn't offering a consultation, have a consultation. Ask away with your questions, and you will know from the answers that they give whether or not they're the practitioner for you.
I would say to anyone who's looking for aesthetic treatments and maybe is feeling a little bit unconfident or hasn't done it before, it's just ask some questions. That's what I did at the start. I asked Dr. Rachel all the things I was worried about, and she put my mind at ease. And I just felt like, okay, now I'm in safe hands. I don't need to learn anymore because she knows it all.